Welcome to Crystal Cove State Park.
Trail we're
Yeah, as long as we have video evidence that we were in the front of it, we did it.
Okay, welcome to California State Park. This is the No Name Ridge Trail. And then Joe, 3200.
I'm pretty sure a younger physician will join us.
What was your title again? Was it Emperor? Okay, let's get a put on the mask and go.
Oh yeah, let's take a picture.
Take a picture.
We're on the left trail, right?
Yeah.
Like I didn't realize how much elevation
Altitude we've gotten. Yeah.
We've basically just been going up the entire time.
Basically. No wonder I'm tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of people down there.
Yeah.
Taking the.
I guess we took the
harder trail.
The harder trail, yes. But it's gonna be all downhill.
Yeah.
Basically when they come back.
But no one would want to live here. That's the problem.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that view.
Yeah. I mean, there's no view.
Oh yeah, well. Just have to move over a little bit. Beautiful. I wonder what's that island way out over
Catalina.
there? Oh, that's Catalina?
Yeah.
Beautiful. But it's like a series, right?
The series, yeah, it's just a one season. It's very well done.
Like this is supposed to be the way back.
You can go either way. There's a pretty yellow flower there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think the red one is the right one.
Yeah.
You know, we can do rock, paper, scissors and the self-test.
Okay.
Huh?
Who wants to test this out?
Yeah.
I think it'll be good just to.
More seasoned person. How about that?
Or maybe it's this one right here. Or no, the same bush. They're hiking near the end of the hike already. Oh. Yeah. I wish they would put a topo map as their real map so that way you can see how bad it really is. You go left? Oh, do not enter. Non-authorized trail, it says. It says no smoking, no flowers, no dogs, no motorcycles. What's this thing called? The Bomber Ridge.
That'd be fun. You can get your daughter how to cook from her action. Bring her up the there's that boat. Really, that's
Wow, it's beautiful. This is gorgeous.
That is, my friend, that is gorgeous.
This is the view.
Yeah.
Look at those houses over there.
Yeah, right down there on the,
Wow,
on the point.
really nice view. And there's like two boats out there. Oh, look, there's another like peninsula there with all those houses.
Yeah. I think that's Emerald Cove.
Emerald Cove?
Emerald Cove, and that is a public beach. So you can come in and you can dock, you can anchor just about. So where are you going next? Oh.
Oh, I think we deserve a picture here.
Yeah.
Or maybe closer to the on the lower curve, perhaps.
That's up there is the Newport Harbor.
Oh yeah.
That's where we came out between those two rock piles there.
Uh huh. Oh yeah, I see the parking lot now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty
yeah.
steep.